Galileo Galilei did not simply observe the universe. He challenged how humanity understood reality itself. At a time when tradition ruled knowledge, Galileo trusted measurement, evidence, and reason over authority. With fearless curiosity, he questioned ancient beliefs and insisted that nature could be tested, not assumed. His work transformed astronomy and physics, helping ignite the scientific revolution and changing how humans study the universe forever. Galileo Galilei was an Italian physicist, mathematician, and astronomer whose discoveries reshaped modern science. By improving the telescope, he revealed moons orbiting Jupiter, phases of Venus, and a rugged moon, evidence that Earth was not the universe's center. Beyond astronomy, his experiments on motion introduced measurable laws of nature. Galileo's insistence on observation over tradition helped define the scientific methods still used today. Born in Pisa, Italy, Galileo grew up in a world dominated by ancient teachings and unquestioned authority. From an early age, he showed independence of thought and strong mathematical ability. Rather than accepting explanations because they were traditional, Galileo sought proof through measurement and logic, habits that would guide his scientific path. Galileo studied at the University of Pisa, initially focusing on medicine before turning toward mathematics and natural philosophy. His education sharpened his ability to question assumptions and apply logic to physical problems. As a teacher, Galileo emphasized experimentation and clear reasoning, helping students see science as a method rather than doctrine. Galileo's turning point came when he aimed an improved telescope at the night sky. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, observed the phases of Venus, and saw mountains on the moon. These observations contradicted Earth-centered beliefs and provided powerful evidence for a sun-centered universe. Galileo's major work combined careful observation, experimentation, and mathematics into a unified approach to science. He documented the moon's uneven surface, proving celestial bodies were not perfect spheres. By discovering Jupiter's moons, he showed that not everything revolved around Earth. His observations of Venus strongly supported heliocentrism. Beyond astronomy, Galileo studied motion, demonstrating that objects accelerate uniformly when falling, and that mass does not control falling speed. His experiments laid the groundwork for classical mechanics and inspired future scientists to test nature directly. Galileo's writings helped replace reliance on authority with evidence, shaping physics, astronomy, and the scientific method for centuries. Galileo's discoveries brought him into conflict with powerful religious authorities. His support for heliocentrism was seen as dangerous, leading to censorship and trial. Forced to publicly recant, he spent his later years under house arrest, continuing his work quietly despite severe restrictions. Galileo's legacy defines modern science. He showed that nature follows measurable laws and that truth emerges through observation and experiment. His discoveries strengthened heliocentrism, his studies of motion shaped physics, and his methods inspired generations of scientists to challenge assumptions with evidence. Galileo Galilei's life proves that progress begins with questioning. By trusting evidence over tradition, he changed humanity's understanding of the universe. His courage reminds us that truth often faces resistance, but curiosity and reason can reshape the world. If you enjoyed this documentary, like the video, subscribe to Say It Right, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next scientist.